Hi, I am Jason Vasili. I'm the CEO of the Fumoir by job by Job Vasili. First of all, we're here at the receiving. We receive around 25 tons of fresh fish per week. We are importing from Scotland and Norway. We get the fish whole on ice. That's how we ensure the freshness. You can see here, it's quite a lot. This is what around 6 tons looks like. We only deal with super premium farms. This fish has just arrived. As you can see here, the guys are filleting, which is the first step. The fish is received in boxes. We do all the filleting by hand. This, first of all, it's a quality check. It allows us to check the texture of the fish. These are the larger fish. So these are the larger fish. So once it's been filleted, it goes into the chiller for salting. Salting is how we cure our salmon. These boys go through like maybe 500-600 fish per day of filleting, which is quite impressive by hand. And they're masters at getting the fillets very close look to the bone, so we have good yield, as you can see from this gentleman here. They go through like maybe 500 a day, 500 to 600. Now it's Christmas, so we're doing quite a bit more. We do maybe 1,000 fish per day, which is 4 or 5 tons. Once that's done, we load the fish onto trolleys, and the trolleys go into our smoke machines, which are on right now. We use the German smoke machines. We've been using the same brand of machine since my father's first factory 35 years ago in Lebanon, which is Rich. Each trolley now is holding around 1,600 kilos of fish. So right now, there's been 3 tons has been smoked. We're using a horizontal airflow, which means that the air goes from right to left. A lot of people, when they think of smoked salmon, they just think of smoke, right? But a big part of the job is drying the fish. So these, for all intents and purposes, are very big dryers. We have a smoker at the back, which I'll show you now. We use oak wood to smoke our salmon, and we're using chippings. This allows for a nice slow burn. What happens is the wood drops down, it is ignited down here, where it's a very slow burn, and it goes up through the chimneys. Everything is controlled by flap. We have around 250 steps in our program between drying, smoking, recycled air. So this fish here is going to stay in these chambers for around 18 to 24 hours. So then once we have finished the process here, it goes into this chiller where it'll mature for maybe another day or 2. As you can see here, a nice little light golden surface. So we smoke like this, and this is absorbing all of the flavor. It's absorbing all that nice smokiness, and it allows us to have a consistency of flavor throughout the whole fillet. So the next step is it goes into the operation room, where we do all the slicing and things. Morning, boys. So I'll take you now on a journey of smoked salmon fillets. Here we are taking out all the bones by hand. It's something that we pride ourselves on. The majority of the things that we do are done by hand. So he's taking out all the bones here. First of all, it's another quality check. We can make sure that we've got everything. Again, you can check the texture of the fillet. After that, we go on to cleaning. So when you smoke salmon, there's something called a pinnacle, which we are taking off. We take off the rib cage. Like with any food, it's better to cook it or smoke it with the bones in. This is a product that we call smoked salmon trimmings. It's a very nice product. It's got a much smokier flavor because it's coming from the top, from the pinnacle. This we are selling it as smoked salmon trimmings. So this is what we pride ourselves on. It's hand sliced smoked salmon. The majority of our volume that we do here at Le Fumoir is sliced by hand. Look, you can see it's very, very delicate, 1 millimeter thin. The benefit of slicing by hand is that you get this nice creamy taste. Once we have finished slicing, we go here and He checks every single slice and he cuts out bits of bloodline, things that aren't supposed to be there. He does a final check. So this is considered the most premium cut of smoked salmon. It's only the top part of the fillets. This is made from a 5 to 6 kg fish. This is why we have different sizes, because we want that thickness. We take off the skin. So to make this product, you need around 5 kilos of smoked salmon to make 1 kilo of this product. He cleans off the brown meats, which is what your omega-3 pills are made of. But this we use in byproducts like salmon burgers and things like that. He cleans it up. Clients love about the Fumoir is that it's not imported, it's made here in the UAE. The quality is super premium and everything is fresh. This is the production date and the expiry date that we put on by laser printing. We do our own distribution, so we have around 12 trucks, I think maybe even more now. So the finished goods will go through all that kind of process. Packed up and then it goes out for dispatch. Nothing goes backwards, everything goes forwards. The drivers will all meet up here. They get their the delivery schedule and everything goes out. We have the office here. Our team the majority of the team have been with us since 2010, which is nice. We're like a little family here.